In the last part, we learned how to create animations in AnimationPlayer by adding frame tracks for animated sprite 2D in Godot 4. However, when you create multiple animations like idle, walk, or attack, you might notice something strange. When you select an animation in AnimationPlayer and press play for preview, it doesn't show the animation you expect. Instead, it always plays the animation that is currently active in the animated sprite 2D node. So even if you're previewing the walk animation in AnimationPlayer, you might still see attack playing. The reason this happens is because the frame track we added only controls the frame index of animated sprite 2D. It does not change which animation is active, so AnimationPlayer is just moving through frames of whichever animation is currently active in animated sprite 2D. That's why the preview looks wrong. To fix this, we need to tell AnimationPlayer which animation to use. Here's how to do it. First, select your AnimationPlayer. Open the animation you want to preview correctly, for example, walk. Next, click Add Track. Choose Property Track. Then select Animated Sprite 2D, Animation. Now move the timeline to frame 0. Insert a keyframe and set the value to the animation you want. For example, walk. Now when you press play in AnimationPlayer, it will first switch Animated Sprite 2D to the walk animation and then play the correct frames. Repeat this process with all other remaining animations.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Your preview will now match the animation you created. This small step is very important when working with multiple animations inside AnimationPlayer. In the next tutorial, we'll continue improving our animation workflow in Godot.